I'm Austin.
I'm Colin.
And we're best friends. We are here to design some bad A man caves for each other because we know each other so well, and we're going to use the vehicle of Wayfair's online store to design the dopest, the most lit man caves for each other. I can't wait.
I don't know that I trust your abilities.
And I definitely don't trust yours. A perfect man cave.
It would be pretty dark.
Bright colors.
It's got to have like maybe a sectional that's super comfy that you can literally just like get lost in for like 10 hours.
Some arcade games, pinball.
I do trust Austin, but I also don't doubt that you'll throw in some weird things in there that I might not approve of completely.
Confetti I could like pop from the ceiling and maybe some like fire. Every guy needs a chill spot, as I like to call it.
Do you have any kind of plan of action here?
Yeah, I've got a plan of action. Impulsively buy whatever I see. It's time to find Colin his couch. We got some nice brown leather, the black, which I know Colin is a big fan of the black. There is more options in here than Colin has on his Bumble app. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of options here.
I don't know about
Colin's
that.
Sectional. All right, I'm going for one of the black sectionals. Add it to the cart.
Man, that's gonna be a great sectional.
I just want a good rug for the space. This is what I'm talking about right here. I don't even need to see more because the thickness on this guy, I'm telling you what, it's gonna change Colin's life. So we're adding that to the cart. All right, let's find some nice artwork for this room here. Ooh, we got a giraffe. When I look at this giraffe, I look at something that says, hey, buddy, how's it going? So I'm picturing Colin sitting here on his sectional, looking up at this giraffe, looking back at him, and he's gonna say, hey, thanks for asking. As I scroll up, I see a single tap, full-size Kegerator. This is a luxury for any man cave. It's the one thing you walk by and go, is that a Kegerator?
Something I've never had before, but I think it's a great choice.
Now this is something special. We've got a C-shaped lamp. He is just gonna love that, and that speaks to him because his name's Colin Cooper, and that has 2 C's in it at the beginning. Yeah, only 2 C's? Yeah.
No, my name is Colin, and it starts with a C, so you can't go wrong with the C-shaped lamp.
I need to get him a TV stand. Oh, this is a floating TV stand. I know Colin loves to float. I'm pretty sure Colin's gonna come in, maybe salute me.
A lot of the colors are pretty black and white.
Give me a standing ovation.
But I would have liked a little bit more color, I think. I think I do have an advantage now that I see how this works. All right, well, it's time to make Austin's ultimate man cave, and we're gonna have a lot of fun here. The first thing that stuck out to me that I think I just have to go with because it's something Austin would buy
yes,
is the reclining heated body massage chair.
Dude, and it's gonna massage the calves. Yes, Colin, yes.
I think it's time to find Austin a comfortable couch. And since he is, you know, the eccentric type, I think it's gotta be something colorful like this.
Dude, that's bold. The yellow's bold.
The orange one, that could work too.
Hit me with it, Colin. Give me the orange. I like orange.
I gotta go with the orange.
All right, Colin, you're doing pretty good. Don't blow it.
I'm still looking for something colorful for Austin's coffee table. I do like this coffee table here because it's got a nice green accent that I think accents with the orange. I might have to go with the yellow on that one.
Yellow and orange, Colin? Who am I, a psychopath?
Normally, I'm a little bit terrified of shopping, especially for somebody else, but I feel like this process, it's turning me into a really great interior designer.
Surprisingly, you are.
One of the things on my list was a lava lamp, and there's the lava lamp.
I like lava lamp.
We have to add that, no questions asked. I do like the clock because we already got the orange couch. You gotta match it up with the orange clock here. I think Austin likes the color orange too.
Does that glow?
I think we also need to find a game for Austin because he is quite the gamer. 412 games, cocktail arcade game.
100% what I would buy.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm anxious and excited to see what Austin thinks.
I'd probably give him 3 recliners out of 4. I'm not gonna lie, I think I did a pretty good job. Got you your C-letter lamp.
No, it's the C-shaped lamp.
C-shaped lamp.
The seating was excellent. I think that was great.
If you didn't get me the arcade table, then it's obvious we aren't friends. Wow, Colin, that beat's really neat. Makes me want to dance, kind of move my feet. Rapping on camera, that's really brave. Just kidding, it's stupid. Let's make a man cave. All right.
Shooting this darndest.
All right, y'all good? You want more? No, you're good.